Hello friends, this is Peter Tech. After a long waited, FOREX has finally updated a margin requirement in the basket order. A lot of people were asking when this update will come. Finally, it has been arrived and now it is live. You can see what is the margin requirement for any strategy you do. So any strategy, generally if margin requirement is there, then it is easy to execute that. So what is the margin requirement? We can see that. Earlier in the basket order of FOREX, it was not there. Now they have updated it. We'll see adding one bull call spread or bear put spread, anything. We'll see how that margin requirement it shows. Okay, directly we'll go to the option chain. Right, before going to option chain, those who are new to this FOREX trading platform, if you want to open your account on the FOREX trading platform, you will get a link on the description. You can just click on the description and open your account. Okay, right, we'll add the basket now and see. Right, opening option chain, I'm adding ATM money by one quantity, selecting the basket, bull call spread. Okay, selected, added one lot, and I'm taking a sell on 34,700, 170 price range, 500 points away, adding, selecting the basket, right, added, selected and added. Right, now we'll close this and go to the basket to see what is the margin requirement it shows. Right, I have added one buy and one sell. Generally for selling, it will naked selling, it lasts 1,50,000 to 1,70,000, but when you hedge with the buying, you can see only 27,000 rupees it is asking for. Okay, in the bottom here we can see margin requirement is 27,000 rupees for one single trade. Now they have updated this margin requirement, which will help you to take a smooth trade. This is the update where everyone was awaiting for it. Now finally it has arrived. Friends, hope this video will help you out. Thanks for watching this video. We'll try to share more videos and any updates on the FOREX trading platform. Apart from this, technical analysis and learning videos, I will start uploading new videos. Already learning videos, lot of videos are there in my channel. I'll start uploading new videos now, and lot of strategy videos I will try to share. Lot of strategies, how to trade with these strategies. Those type of video also I will start sharing on this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you with next video.